Easy to make and delicious fresh herb and feta cheese savoury cake, or a no yeast savoury loaf. Mediterranean fresh herb and feta cheese savoury cake. Welcome to Aisha's Lavender Kitchen. Great for breakfast or perfect serving with soup for lunch. Enjoy warm or cold on the go. So let's start. Here we have 3 eggs, a quick whisk, and then add 160 ml of milk, 160 ml of olive oil, and 180 grams of yogurt. Whisk to incorporate the wet ingredients before adding the flour. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt, 400 grams of flour, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Once the flour has been sieved, mix and incorporate the ingredients. Here we have 100 grams of feta cheese. To keep your cake light and fluffy, I don't recommend adding more. A handful of parsley. Once you have washed your parsley, pat dry with a paper towel. If your herbs are wet, this will affect the texture of your cake. Now for some dill, finely chop and add in. Using a spatula, combine all your ingredients. For this recipe, I recommend using a 3-pound loaf tin. In the notes below, I will drop down the measurements for 3-pound loaf tin and for those who only have a 2-pound loaf tin. In the meantime, preheat your oven at 190 degrees. For extra flavour, taste and looks, sprinkle some sesame seeds. Also some Nigella seeds. For the final topping, around 100 grams of sliced green olives. You can use black olives or whole pitted olives instead. Now bake in the oven at 190 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. Every oven varies in baking time. Allow your savoury cake to cool down at least 30 minutes before slicing. Quick, easy, simple to make, prepared under 10 minutes. Tastes great, smells delicious, light and fluffy. Enjoy for breakfast or lunch, perfect to enjoy on the go. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.